last day and I thought I will spend it with you guys. First thing first, the ingredients are chickpea flour, turmeric and curd. I would just go mix it very nicely till it forms a paste which doesn't fall on its own. And with my trusty spoon, which I don't use for food, I am going to spread it on my face. I have this one acne right here. When I say I have PCOD, I mean that I get all those acnes every day. Although I have been in quarantine since 27th of Feb and it is almost 10th April today, I still have all these acnes popping up. Clean eating helps me a lot, and staying home for almost 2 months and starting the 30-day clean eating challenge since January, I have almost been eating clean for at least 80 days out of the 90 days that I'm talking about. The frequency of these acne has gone down, but I still have one or two coming in. That was my skin update. This particular paste, I think that it works on pigmentation and hyperpigmentation. I had a lot of pigmentation around my mouth like most of the Indians do. I see that this mask really works on shrinking the pores but cleaning the pores, so it really just gets right into the pores and get all the gunk and dirt and any impurities that might be in your skin inside. It really gets that out really well. It has also evened my skin a lot. I don't see a lot of different shades on my face anymore, so no uneven skin complexion or texture. When I say texture, my skin here is a little bit dry, just around my eyes it's a little dry, so I don't see that anymore, and I feel that is the doing of the curd which is in the mixture. Turmeric is super magical ingredient when it comes to skincare and also inside your body. So it is a very good antioxidant. It fights infection very well. It will stain some of the skin complexions, but because my complexion is very olive, it gives me a glow rather than staining my skin. Curd helps you brighten the skin. I'm not talking about getting fairer skin tone, because that's not what we are looking for. My channel is definitely never ever gonna be about getting fairer or darker or anything that you're not. Evening out the complexion, getting rid of every thing that is not supposed to be naturally there on your skin. It helps in giving you this glow, which is a really healthy glow because you're giving a lot of nutrition. So curd basically acts as a food for your skin, and hence your skin is radiating and glowing. After that, I massage. I am also somewhere doing very light and slight exfoliation on my skin. So besan or chickpea flour is really good for exfoliating. Chickpea is also used to give bath to the babies for 40 days, first 40 days of their life, where all the unwanted hair is removed from the body with the help of chickpea flour. So I think when I do this massage, it is also helping my skin get rid of hair, not instantly but eventually. Any DIY remedy would obviously always take 2 to 3 months to even show results, because they are very permanent in nature, but they also need to be done very regularly and with a lot of discipline. I am back. It's been about 20 minutes. The very first thing, it feels really fresh. Let's talk about the results. From the first day to today, I can definitely feel that my skin is not dull anymore. It is super bright. I of course don't have any makeup or even a moisturizer on. I just washed my face and came here directly. It looks very healthy, lively, glowy. Sole purpose that I started this was to get rid of the acne marks that all these acnes are leaving behind. So I'm not gonna do anything to this acne today, but tomorrow when it's not as pink or pustular, I'm gonna work on it. So once it goes away, once it dries off, it leaves marks like these, and I wanted to get rid of such marks. So I think that on this side of the face it's done a very good job. Now the camera is really intrusive, okay, so the quality of camera is usually very good, which makes everything looks far more big. And I don't have any software where I soften the effects of the camera, so what you see right now is a little harsh, but when I see it in the mirror right here, I don't see it as harsh as you see it in the camera right now. Like these, they don't even matter, but on the screen they are looking very 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 dark. So let me tell you that the real life results are much better. That is my result. I am definitely going to continue doing this, but not every day, because your body or your skin gets used to certain things that you do, and then it doesn't work anymore. So like even in exercise you have to take a little rest, right? So I think going forward I'm gonna do it alternate days, because I do see results. I think the challenges are really good, so if you have more challenges for me, let me know and let's do it together on Instagram or something. Bye. Mwah.